Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another Pokemon drawing tutorial, and for this video guys, we're gonna be drawing Cherrim. So as you guys can see on screen, this is what it ends up looking like. So if you guys want to learn how to draw it, then let's get started. I'm also gonna put up a reference right now on screen, that way it's easier for you guys to draw, and at the same time you guys can get all your details. Just keep in mind guys that we're gonna start off by doing a sketch, and then from there on you guys are gonna do your final drawing. So remember to do your line slide. Just like most of the tutorials, we're gonna start off by doing a circle, then we're gonna split it in half both ways, and remember to pause the video guys at your own pace. Alright, so the better that you guys make the circle, the easier it is to follow. By no means is mine perfect, but it will do the job. Once we have that guys, we're gonna split it in half both ways. Once again, the more you get it in the middle, the better, and then we're gonna cut each part in half as well, so basically a quarter of the circle, and then we're gonna do a line right here, which is gonna be the length of this petal, which is the length of a circle. So right here I'm using a spare piece of paper just to measure that, and then we have another line going right here, so once again it's the length of the circle. Another one down here, so just pay attention to guys where the actual line starts, and then right here in the middle, at the top right there guys, the actual head doesn't follow the circle. It's actually more of an oval shape, so we're gonna cut the top part of the circle right there, and then we're gonna measure a quarter of the actual circle, and then half of the circle. We're gonna measure this right here. This is a quarter of the circle, and then we do that reference line going down. This is actually gonna be the body right there, and around here in this area guys, we're gonna do the little circles that he has, or that he has on the head, and the better that you guys make it, once again the better. So right here I'm using the spare piece of paper just to measure that they both are basically the same length and height and everything. Once we have that, we're gonna do the rest of the petal right here. Once again, the same thing over here. We're gonna use that line as the center, and once we have that guys, the actual petal is a little bit easier. Just remember that each of these petals are roughly the same size and the same shape, so the better that you guys make it compared to each other, the better it'll turn out. Alright, so once we do that, we're gonna cut the top part off right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and work on the eyes, which in the end guys, mine turned out a little bit too big, but it's all good. Once we have the eyes, I do a reference line going across from one to the other in the bottom. That's just gonna help us line up the mouth right there, since it basically is on the same level as the bottom of the eyes. And then we're gonna extend the line going down a little bit guys, just to do the body right here and do another reference line. Once we have that, that's gonna be actually part of the body right here for the legs, and there we go. So now a little V shape for the collar, and then these triangle shapes for the actual arms, and I believe I do make the right one a little bit bigger than the left one, but it's all fine. And then we're gonna extend that line guys, the reference line going across that we did earlier for like basically the waist area, and this is just gonna help us do the other two petals that we're missing. Once again, just try to make them the same thickness as the other ones. They should all roughly be the same thickness or similar, although these right here on the bottom, they're kind of like more behind the head. There we go. So overall guys, I think it wasn't too complicated. You guys might have some issues here and there, but overall hopefully I was able to help you guys out, and now it's just a matter of erasing all these reference lines and just getting them out of the way. So I do recommend looking at the reference to know what lines to erase, just because everybody's drawing is gonna be different guys. Even though you're following my tutorial, doesn't mean that it's gonna come out the same, and another person, even like 10 people that do it, theirs are not gonna come out the same as yours. So everybody is gonna have theirs different. So now that you have your sketch, this is where you guys are gonna make any changes to your sketch. Maybe the circles right there on top of on the forehead are not the same size. I can tell that mine on the right one, it's not like a nice circle. It's more like, I don't know, it's not a perfect circle guys. Maybe your eyes, one's bigger than the other one. Maybe the petals are not in the right place. Everybody's gonna have different issues, so make any changes on your your drawing to make yours better. So I did end up coloring it, as you guys see me doing here. I'm using my Copic markers and I believe my Prisma Premier color markers, and then I'm using some color pencils just to go over it and add some more like darker shading and everything. I actually been really enjoying doing this technique. I think it gives it a little extra detail, and I did outline it in a Copic outliner, so I think overall it came out pretty good, guys. And then at the end I just went over with the white gel pen just to add some highlights, like right there in the circles in the forehead and on the petals and the arms. So overall, guys, I'm pretty happy with this. So hopefully I was able to help you guys out. Let me know in the comment section below how yours turned out. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.